Beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow us on our Instagram page at Kirasecret Global, TikTok Kirasecret Global, Facebook Kirasecret Skincare, on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistic. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. 3 to 5 working days, you get your goods at your doorstep. We are the #1, the champion. We are super affordable and very fast. We based here in Lagos, Nigeria. Whether you're buying product from us, whether you're not buying, let Mommy Kira ship for you. Okay, you can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get our amazing product. Our Snow White is there, our Instant White, our 𝐓𝐾, our Arabian Fairness. Also, we sell original branded product. Please go to the website and shop. Yes, today I'll be showing you guys this amazing lotion. This is our Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. This lotion is super effective, very strong. A client of mine all the way from Canada, she said she wants 30 liters, okay, 30 liters of this amazing Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. Okay, you can see this big bowl here is 50 liters. You understand? When a client wants to buy item for me, I use opportunity to produce more so that when I sell for them, I will have extra for customer to buy very, very fast and very affordable. Guys, if you want to produce, okay, you don't want to stress yourself, chat Mommy Kira, let Mommy Kira produce for you. We are the #1, the champion. We are super affordable and very swift in producing. You understand me? Anything you want, just let Mommy Kira know. You can be a working mom, you can be a working class lady, but you want to do skincare as a sideline business. That is my job. Just chat me up on WhatsApp, okay, and let me produce for you effective product. Tell me what your customer want and I'll produce for you super fast. Our product does not give no green vein, no stretch mark, no white dot at all. Super whitening and your skin will glow up. Okay, I will show you guys how I produce it. I'll put all the ingredients inside. Okay, I want to add some of my active. Please watch this video to the end and like and share this video. Yes, we're filling the rubber, okay, the 30 kg rubber. Yes guys, we'll fill the 30 liters of the Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. Is very full, okay, you can see it.